Hello there.
What's going on, guys? Steel City, Urbex, Sheffield here. We've got Steel Dam, Steel Al, and Steel
Me and my
Tom.
friend Eminem.
And
Fucking tango.
today, guys, we are here at the abandoned tram sheds. Yes, guys, this is one that we've been to before, but it's changed over the last 2 years for sure, as Alex knows himself.
Yeah. Got a little push bike.
Yeah.
I want to ride it with my phone. Got a fucking wheel.
Yeah, guys, we're just going to explore this this place because we know you guys want to see, you know, more content from us, and you know, we want you guys to enjoy our content, and so the more buildings we can revisit, the better for you and more content.
From Amazon.
Alex, with our trustworthy bike that has tested the times over the last 2 years.
Oh, there's a nice tram over there. No autographs.
And yeah, guys, so if you want to see more of our videos, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if there's anything you would like us to improve on in our videos, remember to comment on our on this video and also on our other videos. And remember, guys, up the steel. And also, if you want to see any of our pictures from our past explores, check our Instagram out at Steel City Urbex Sheffield, link in the description. Let's get into the explore. As you can see, over the years it's been turned into a skate park mostly, with some ramps. Alex just eating the M&Ms.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, hashtag not sponsored. Yeah, man. The graffiti in here is mental. The graffiti in here is mental. What was meant to be a, looks like a ramp up slope, but stops prematurely there. Alex, your couple of seconds of fame. What? Yeah, guys, would you guys want Alex to run up this this massive, well, it looks like a flipping pit of rubble. Remember in the comments to comment hashtag Steel Al.
It's like 50 foot long. We'll put you there.
Damn.
Go down upstairs, it's a bit funny. Hello there.
Alex with his classic hello there. Yeah, guys, so if you any of you guys was wondering why our website is not being currently updated, it is because of they said on from our website creator that they've got maintenance and so they're having to do some, you know, some work on our website. So it will, I'm sure, be back up very soon. So guys, remember to, if you're wanting any like of our new merch, which is just been released, then remember to DM us, and we will sure sort something out with you guys. Nice. This little looks like a scorpion. Really nice. Alex dancing. We're going to give a shout out to Devante. Yeah, he's a vlogger from my college, and yeah, he's just started his YouTube channel, and he's going to be making way more videos. And yeah, just wanted to shout him out because he's a good guy, and he has a lot of promise in making his videos.
He's mad. Mad, look. That can't do it.
Yeah, guys, this is one of the best places to come to if you want, you know, pictures of the fever. And yeah, cinematics are definitely one of the best things, well, one of the most newest and best additions that you guys seem to like in our videos, and we are going to continue to do that in our videos every single time we upload, and hope you guys enjoy Alex dancing once again. And yeah, hopefully we get some more great reviews from our content, as you guys have been doing over the past 6 videos that we have made. As I said, this really does just show you the different kinds of graffiti artists that are around, not just in Sheffield, but you know, around the world. And to make an old tram shed place, you know, a building of art.
She can't give you a kiss.
Alex trying to kiss this.
I am kissing her.
Aww. She's sad now. Look at her. She's sad.
We are bad now. She's orange. Don't want you to door. I'm definitely going to get kidnapped for saying that. It's a Russian mafia.
And yeah, guys, we really appreciate all of our subscribers, because we are going up slowly, but definitely, you know, it's a really big improvement to say that we was on 130 subs just 4 weeks ago. We are now 160, and we really do, you know, appreciate what you guys do for, you know, for our channel, like always liking our videos, and always liking our posts as well on Instagram. It's you know, it makes us happy and gives you better content if you know, if you're honest with us with your opinions. And so we just want to give you the best content that we can, and that also always involves this guy right here and this guy right here. And also, guys, if you're wondering why our other crew member, Steele Morgan, he unfortunately could not turn up, so we give our condolences to Morgan, and we hope you guys, well, we are sure you guys will see him in the not too distant future. And yeah, guys, I'm sure we all missed the other two crew members, Steele Al and Steele Tom, last week, and yeah, Steel City Herbert Sheffield would not be the same without these two.
Taste of chicken, freeze raiders, M&M's, this shit. Come here.
And yeah, guys, we know you all you guys have definitely seemed to like our locations that we have been exploring, because I know some of you guys, well, there's definitely a lot of you guys who have been here from the beginning and know that we've explored many of these buildings before, but the ones that we have come new to our channel, you've really taken, you know, good vibes from it, so we hope that happens all the way through the course of the next couple of months and every video that we upload. Yeah, guys, so now is the time of the video that we are going to give you some cinematics, and this is, yep, Alex giving us the complimentary agree to our cinematics, and yeah, guys, we hope you enjoyed them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos. See you in the next video, guys.
Yeah.